What's going on, guys? This is the final touch-ups for the car. We just got the temporary sticker for it, got the insurance for it, so it's ready to go get safetied. What we have to finish though is I got a cabin air filter I want to throw in, and we have a new engine filter. So it should be pretty straightforward. So it's pretty simple. Just a clip here, clip here. It's been on there for a bit. There we go. It's not very nice. It is pretty disgusting. So let's throw a new one in. We're also going to compare our new one to our old one. Just make sure it's the same. It looks the same to me. Slap that on. This back on. Crushing it. Boom. Air filter done. Alright, so all I did was there's this little black cover right here that I pulled down. And then on the side, you'll see a little switch you can push and pull out that wire. Then you should be able to lift all this, slide it out. Oh, wow, that's dirty. That's actually disgusting. So that's your fan. I believe that little brown thing, that's your resistor. So if your AC stops working or your heat or something stops working, look at that and look at your fan. Often those are two common things that go bad. Look at that. If you compare, that's what it should look like. I don't know how easy I will be able to show you this. I probably won't be able to show you. So I'm just going to throw it all back together. It's basically everything in reverse. Push that back in, airflow is down. All right, just pulled the STI out. There she is. All right, I just double checked the oil, made sure everything was okay, it looks fine. Wheel should be fine. Let's pull her out for the first drive, and I'm so nervous and excited. This is insane. This is so insane. I've been looking forward to this day for so long. I didn't think it was gonna come, but it's here. All right, it's gonna be kind of difficult to see me because we're doing this at night. It is what it is, but let's go get gas. Brakes are a little rusty. My clutch feels a little light. That could just be because I'm used to the STI, but I hear some clunking, which is a little concerning. But I think we can figure it out. Yeah, the brakes are rough right now, but that honestly just has to do with just rust from just sitting. Some gas, and I need to figure out that clunking. I might need to get new struts. It's been a while since I drove this thing, so yikes.